Hello, are you still using mouse to copy and paste in Microsoft Excel? Stop wasting time. What if you could copy, paste, and move data with just few keystrokes? Welcome to Solomon channel. In this video, you will learn Excel's most powerful copy, paste, and movement shortcuts, including fastest ways to copy and paste like pro. Also, how to move entire row and column in seconds. Also, secret shortcuts for pasting values, formats, and formulas instantly, and many more. Stay till the end for a super shortcut that pastes data with one key. Before we dive into this video, do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future uploads. Here in this channel, we upload every Monday and Fridays. Now, without much ado, let's dive into the video. First, let's master the basic but powerful copy and paste shortcuts, which we can refer to the classic shortcuts in Microsoft Excel, even in Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and other Office applications. And that is what we refer to as to copy, which we can say, let's copy this. We press Ctrl C, and that is the shortcut number 1 to copy using Ctrl C. Now, moving next to shortcut number 2 is what we can refer to as to cut, which is Ctrl X. When we press Ctrl X, we cut this particular data highlighted, and that is shortcut number 2. Let's move to the next shortcut, which is shortcut number 3, which is the classic Ctrl V, which is to paste. Having cut this, we can decide to paste it here by saying Ctrl V, and that, you see, my dear friend, this is already pasted here, and this is being cut. Let's undo to go back to where we are. All right, and that is shortcut number 3. Number 4 is to paste as values, and to do that we will have to head over to formula and function data set. We have this here, we have this as formula, and we have this as formula. This is a plus b, and this is a times b as regards to this particular formula. Now, the shortcut number 4 is to paste as values. And let's say, for example, we want to we copy this Ctrl C, and we want to paste this as values, not as formulas. What to do is we use the shortcut format, which is Ctrl Alt V, and the paste special dialog box will come out. We hit the V, we press V, and then we hit OK. Automatically, this is being pasted as values, not as formula or function, and that is shortcut number 4. All right, next is to paste formatting only, and to do that, let's format this our data here, and let me apply the color red, and let me make it bold, and then let's say we add italicize to it, and then we press Ctrl C to copy over to this place. Let's therefore we want to paste it here, but we want to paste only the formatting. To do that, we press Alt Ctrl V. The dialog box will appear for the paste special dialog box, and then we press the T and we hit enter. Automatically, you notice what is being pasted is only the formatting only, not the number, not the formulas, or even the function. So to check whether what we have is correct, if I type here Excel, you notice the function, the formatting is being applied. If I put here shortcuts, you notice that was same time applied to this, and then you notice what we have here. If we have this is being applied. Now, if we type in stuff here and we move to this, you notice that is not applied because the formatting is only on this particular selected range. And that is how to paste formatting only in Microsoft Excel. Moving forward to paste as formulas, let's take, for example, this formula. We want to replicate it here. We can come over and select this. We want to replicate the multiplication formula over to the other data set. We can come here and say Ctrl C, and coming over to this place, we press Ctrl Alt V, and this comes out, and then we press the F key on our keyboard and hit OK. Automatically, this formula is being pasted here. If we double click, you see that that's a multiplication formula, and that is the shortcut number 6. Moving forward is data movement shortcuts in Microsoft Excel, which will start from the shortcut number 7. And to do that, we have to let's move over to this data set, the navigation data set, and then the shortcut number 7 is dragging with shift. And what does that imply? If I will select this and I want to drag it, I can drag this to this point, and if I remove it, you notice what we have here, and Ctrl Z. Then if I drag with Shift, that is to show that there is no overriding. If I put it this way, it will start from here. If I put it here, it will start from here. And that is the difference between that. If I want it to start from here and move down, I can release it and it will start here and move down. And that is the aspect of dragging with Shift, and that is the shortcut number 7. Moving forward to shortcut number 8, we have to move the entire row or column. To move the entire row or column, we can come over to this place to press Ctrl X. Once that is done, we move to where we want it and press Ctrl V. That is also another shortcut to move the entire row and or the entire column, depending on the data set you're working with. Let's Ctrl Z to undo to come back to where we are. And that is the shortcut number 8. Moving forward to shortcut number 9, we have to swap 2 cells. Let's say, for example, I want to swap these cells. I want to swap them. What do? I can come here to swap cells. I can select this, hold Shift, and then move it to this place. If I have it like this, it will be. If I come to this place, remember to make it in this form. Let it be in a horizontal or a vertical format, and then remove your hand. You see that we have swapped the cells. This moves to this moves here, and this comes over to this place. And that is how we can swap cells depending on your data set. Sometimes it comes in handy when you want to swap this to this point to this point. You can swap. And then let's Ctrl Z. Let's say, for example, our manager comes and he says he wants this status to be here and customer number to be here. What we have to do is to press Ctrl Shift, select that, and then come here and just hold our Shift. And to do that, we just hold Shift and come over to this. Once we come over here and make it to be in vertical format and we release, we see that other status this and this already swap this place. In that manner, you can use it to rearrange your data set in a format you want it to be. And that is shortcut number 9. Moving forward to shortcut number 10 is to move this move to the next cell after you have entered. For example, it's simple. If you type in here data, if you type in this data and you want to move to the next cell, you press your tab and that automatically move to the next cell, and that is shortcut number 10. Moving forward to shortcut number 11 as regards to this tutorial is to move to the next row automatically. Let's say, for example, we enter data and we say data and we say and we have here a gender, and I want to move down here to enter aspect of gender. I will just press the enter key. It moves down to the next, and it moves automatically moves down. That I can put in this and then move and then put in my gender. I can say male and then hit enter again. It moves down, and that makes it very, very effective in our data entry and navigation as regards to working with Excel. And that is the shortcut number 11. Moving forward to what we can refer to as the special paste shortcuts. If you want to paste your data in a transpose format, it is in vertical, and you want to paste it in horizontal format, or in horizontal and you want to paste it in vertical format, that is what we move to shortcut number 12, which is to paste as transpose, to swap rows and columns. And to do that, let's say for example we select this range of data set and press copy, and then we want to paste it in a horizontal format, is in a vertical format. What do? We press Ctrl Alt V, and that will show, and then we hit the E key on our keyboard, and then we hit enter. You see that already in a transpose format from vertical to horizontal, and that is shortcut number 12. Moving to shortcut number 13 is to paste as link. For example, I want to paste this as link. If we select this, Ctrl C, and to paste it as link so that whatever is here is linked to what is here. And to do that, what we just have to do is to press Alt Ctrl V, and this will come out, and then we need to just press the L button, and automatically that is pasted as link. What that simply means is that if here is not shift, let's say we remove the shift and then we put only shift here, you notice what happens here. Automatically it affects what is here, and with that is already a linked data, and that is what we have as regards to the data set we are working. Let's bring it back, shift, okay, and we hit enter. Automatically that also edits automatically, and that is how you can paste as link. Moving forward to shortcut number 14 is to repeat the last formatting, the last action. And to do that, let's say, for example, this I have to apply red here and then apply underline. And to do that, let's say I want to do it for all of them, I can select this and then press F4. And you see that it applies the last formatting, which is underline, and that is what we have to repeat the last action. To repeat the last action, which is in the formatting, we can use the F4. All right, moving forward to shortcut number 15 is to paste without borders. And to do that, we need to, first of all, let's head over to this data set, which is a very small data set. We can already control space to select this, and then you need to know how to apply borders, and then you press this. You know that this already is border. You can see here if you want to know the shortcut to apply border to your particular data set, do well to check our previous videos on how to do that, and you will get the shortcut. Having done that, if we want to paste let's say we want to paste it without borders, let's select this in the first place and press Ctrl C, and let's say we want to paste here, but we don't want it to have the border. Then what to do is you press Ctrl Alt V, and then the next is to press W, and then we hit enter. Automatically what we have here is paste without border, and that you have that in regards to what we have. All right, that is the shortcut number 15. Over to our bonus keys for this video. To do that, let's move to our data. If we want to automatically copy or duplicate a particular cell instantly, you don't need to be dragging. You don't need to take this, drag here, and then hold Ctrl to remove your mouse and stuff like that. You don't need to also drag this down here. You don't need to drag this down here, hold Ctrl, remove mouse. And to do that, you just have only to press Ctrl D. That automatically, or Ctrl D, that automatically happens. If you want to bring all of this down same time, you need just to press Ctrl D. Automatically, all of them is duplicated, and that is a very quick way and a very quick trick to duplicate your data in seconds. No dragging is required. And now you can copy, paste, and move data at lightning speed and as you pro. Which of these shortcuts will save you time the most? Let me see your comment in the comments section. And as well, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give it a thumbs up so you never miss out on our future uploads. We upload every Fridays and every Monday right here on this channel. In our next video, we will be handling how you can handle errors and troubleshoot formulas with ease. Shortcuts that will help you, keyboard shortcuts that will help you to troubleshoot, and then handle errors in your data set with ease. Till then, keep practicing, keep using these shortcuts, and see you in our next video. Thank you.